ngayong gabi.
Ito po ang Wanted Sweetheart sa Barangay Alas 97.1 Tugstuga na, and we are happy and overwhelmed because Donna, first time on radio. Thank you guys dahil kumanta daw siya ng live at napakinggan niyo yung LM4M. We're trending right now. Donna, congratulations. They love your song. Wow, thank you. I think you're currently on the 5th spot on the trend list here in the country. Amazing. Appear. Kalig.
Thank you po. Salamat sa lahat ng nag-tweet nun.
Yan.
Big thank you.
At dahil dyan, mga kabarangay, dahil masaya po kami ni Donna dito, we'll be taking the calls, right?
Yes.
Yes, mabilisan lang po, mga kabarangay. Ito, exciting to. 924-3093-927-8862. Tawagan po dito kasama ni Papa Dan. Call us, maybe. 924-3093-927-8862. Donalyn Bartolome is in the studio, mga kabarangay. At kasama po natin. You know. At mabilisan lang po. One quick question and a quick answer from Donalyn, and then we move on to the next.
Yes.
We are ready. Donna, are you ready?
I'm ready.
You're ready. Okay. Eto na po, mga kabarangay, sa ating programa na Wanted Sweetheart with Papa Dan, twitter.com/papadan971ls. Galing, oh, trending si Donna, oh. My God.
I can't believe it.
Wanted.
First question. Hello, good evening.
Hello po.
Anong question mo kay Donna, bro? Hello?
Hello po.
What's your question?
Ay, Papa Dan po ba to?
Yes po. Yes po. Kasama natin si Miss Donna. Yung mga tatawag po dito, mamaya na po tayo mag-Wanted Sweetheart. Bukas na, bahala na po kayo. We are accepting questions for Donalyn Bartolome. Quick question, pare. Do you have a question for her? Na-shock siya, eh. Na-shock siya, eh. Okay, hello, good evening.
Hello?
Hi, may tanong ka ba para kay Donna?
Hello, Papa Dan.
Yes.
Yes, ako nakatawag dito ka.
Oh, sige. Sinong, ano bang tanong mo kay Donna?
Meron po ba siyang bagong gagawin yung music video?
May bago ka daw
Yes.
music video.
Oo, yung music video para sa LM4M.
Yun
Getting
na.
that ready.
Yun, pare. Abangan mo yan, ha?
Papa Dan,
Oh.
pwede mo makabigyan si ano?
Oh, sige. Kausap mo na.
Ay, Miss Donna!
Ha? Ano yun?
Oo, sobrang idol kita.
Ay, thank you! Naku! Pakilala ka sa akin pag minsan magla-live ako somewhere. I hope you'll be there.
Sinapala ko, nag-update ako sa iyo everyday.
Ha?
Stop.
Hindi kita maintindihan.
Hello, Donna.
Madonna daw. Ano?
Pwede ba ako mag-request?
Ano yun?
Ano yun?
Pwede ba ako magpaano? Paano
Ano daw?
Fan-sign at
Fan
Fan
sign.
sign? Parang nagtanong ka na, parang sobra-sobra na yun, pare. Teka, dapat mabilis lang na tanong, eh. Pero, sige, we'll try that, pare, ha?
Sige
Sige,
po.
thank you.
Thank you po.
Okay, next
Bye-bye.
question. Donna, hello, good evening.
Hello,
What's your name?
Karen.
Karen. Donna, you have a
Hello,
question.
Karen.
Kailan kaya yung next mall tour mo?
Next mall tour, I don't know, but I'm going to Baguio soon, and I'm going to Princess Leia Resort on May 6
There.
sa tama ba? Sa may Pampanga.
Okay.
I'm going to be there 4 p.m.
There you
Princess
go.
Leia Resort.
Karen, thank you very much for the question.
I love you, Donna.
Yun nga.
Donna lang, ba't papatawa lang I love you?
Hindi ko alam.
May tip ka ba?
Metabolism ko, pero eat 3 times a day. I think, yun yung maganda doon.
Okay, pwede na yan. Thank you very much. Ayan, si Andy, si Jess, si Ethan, and Kevin nakikinig. Next question for Donna. Hello?
Hello?
Hi, good evening.
So, Donna, pwede mag-request?
Ano yun?
Pwede pabigas ng whole name ko.
Ano yung whole name mo?
Ana Camille Gonzalez.
Ano?
Ano?
Ana Camille Gonzalez.
Hello, Ana Camille Gonzalez. Tama ba?
Yeah. Okay na. Pwede nang mag-resign sa trabaho. Mga ganyan. Thank you, Ana Camille.
Bye.
Thank you. Ayan po mga kabarangay. Live ngayong gabi, Donalyn Bartolome sa Wanted Sweetheart. Kung di nyo po siya kilala, well, kailangan nyo po siyang makilala mga kabarangay. Hashtag LM4M, Wanted Sweetheart. Yung mga nakikinig natin mga kabarangay ngayon, Yun, appear. Okay, hello, good evening. Hello?
Hello?
What's your name?
Jeffrey, sir.
Jeffrey.
Jeffrey Natal.
Hello, Jeffrey.
Mabilis na tanong, Jeffrey. Parang inaanto ka, Jeffrey. Oh,
Medyo.
go.
Babe.
May ano. May pulis sa ilalim ito na yan eh. May ano. Pare.
Walang maisip.
Oh, walang isip. Thank you. Bye-bye. Walang isip.
Bye-bye.
Sinasayang niyo po ang pagkakataon, mga kabarangay. Bihira
Down
lang
your
to.
question.
Okay, go. Hello?
Hello, good evening.
Hi, good evening. What's your name?
I'm Ira Antonio. Hello, Adona.
Hello.
Would you be my girlfriend thirdly?
For today?
Forever?
Hilig, wag na.
Kababaing tao.
Pwede.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Yan na. Oh, sinagot ka na ni Donna. Hello, good evening.
Hello, ma'am. Kailan birthday mo?
July 9.
Okay na, pare?
Okay.
Okay na. Gusto ko to. Hello, good evening.
Hello po.
Oh, tanong para kay Donna.
Ate Donna,
Yes?
pwede mo bigay ng pansay?
Oh.
Siya magbibigay sa'yo ng pansay.
Bigyan mo ako ng pansay. Please
Pare.
do. I'll retweet it.
Okay, pare, okay na.
Okay po.
Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Labo nito mga...
Mangingi ako ng...
Siya, baliktad eh.
Siya yung magbibigay ng pansay.
Oh, yun. Gagawin
That's
ka
how
daw
it
niya.
is. New. It's something new.
Oh, yeah. Hello, good evening.
Hello po, Padan.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh.
Donna.
Ah, hello.
Hello, Miss Donna. Good evening.
How are you?
Good evening.
Tanong ko, pure Filipina or half?
Hindi ako half. Hindi rin ako pure.
Ano yun?
75% Filipino ako and a little bit of something else.
Pare, parang halo-halo yan. Pare,
Yes.
Sa dulo, may mga ano yan, mga iba-ibang mga halo yan, sangkap.
Ha?
Okay, salamat.
Thank you, sir. Sana makatulog ka sa pagkakasagot ng tanong. Yan po, mga kabarangay. Ngayon naman, Donna, dito naman tayo sa Twitter, no? Okay lang. Hashtag LM4M. Actually, tayo po ngayon, mga kabarangay, isa na lang yung sasama natin at makakatanggap ng fan sign nila. Diba?
Yeah.
At yun po, mga kabarangay. At may charger. Sino ba may charger? May charger ka ba? No!
Tinawag akong hybrid.
Oh, okay lang. Pero okay lang if you take your photos, upload mo lang sa okay
Yes.
na ba? Okay lang. Sige,
Yes,
sige.
I'll upload it myself.
Oh, yan po, mga kabarangay. Pumipili na po kami ngayon ng ilang pang matitirang masaswerte. Ito, teka, may humahabol pa pala, no? Actually, we have 2,000 tweets already for you.
Wow.
For the mention.
Wow, guys, thank you.
Question for Donna. Hello. Good night.
Hello, good night.
What's your name?
Wait. Ronaldine.
Yes, hello.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, good night.
Binabaan ako.
Wild. Hello, good evening.
Hello?
Hi.
Hello.
Nakakatakot naman dito.
Pare, magtanong ka na, pare. Mas natatakot kami sa'yo.
Hello, ma'am.
Oh.
Ma'am Donaldine.
Hello.
Saan po kayo nag-aaral?
Nag-aaral ako. Wala pa. Mag-enroll pa lang.
Sige, salamat.
Yun lang.
Po.
Yan na. Papa Dan, sabi ni, my friend natin si Anderson, napapababa po ang phone sa kaba ng mga tumata. Ganun talaga dito, mabilisan tayo, di ba? Mas enjoy, no?
Yes.
Okay, mas enjoy. Okay,
Fast-paced.
Okay, yan po mga kabarangay. Si Mary Ann Danganan nag-graduate siya today at ito daw yung gift sa'yo. Gift niya natanggap na kumanta ka daw. Wow. Hello, good evening.
Congrats.
Hello.
Question for Ate Donna.
Yes.
Do you have a question?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Hello.
Yes.
Hi, Donna.
Hello, baby girl. What's your question?
Huwag kang umiyak.
Meet again.
Ha?
Pwede kang mahal pag nakita
Pwede ka daw bang mahag pag
Oo
nakita?
naman.
Oh.
Attack me.
Be careful what you wish for.
Oo.
Don't say that. They will attack you.
I know.
Okay. Hello? Thank you for calling.
Thank you.
Good night.
Good night.
Hello? Good evening.
Hello?
Naku po. Hello, good
Hello.
evening. Hello? Question for Donna. Go.
Hello, Papa Dan?
Anong tanong mo para kay Ate Donna?
Teka lang, Papa, naiya ako.
Thank you for calling. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye-bye. Hello, good evening.
Hello?
Question for Donna.
Sino kong crush ng artista?
Yan.
Crush ko artista si Coco Martin.
Yun na.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for calling.
Bye-bye.
Good night.
Bye-bye.
Yan na. Saya dito. First time ko, actually, this is the first time I tried this.
Yeah,
Yes,
pretty
first
cool.
time.
Right?
Yep. Hello?
Hello?
Question for Donna Bartolome.
Ano po? Birthday ko kahapon. Pwede pakibati po ako.
Oh, belated daw. Belated. Okay,
Hey, belated happy birthday.
what's your name? Oh, thank you daw. Wala namang pangalan. Bahala na.
Thank you, bye.
Bahala ka. Lado. Okay, hello?
Hello?
Hi, pare.
Ako po yung kanina.
Kami rin yung kanina. Kami rin yung
What's
kausap
your
mo.
question?
Question, go.
Ako pwede po mong manghingi ng fan sign.
Kasi medyo mahirap yung pare. Tanong na lang. Tanong. Maswerte ka nga, kausap mo eh. Maswerte ka, pare.
Ano pangalan ng kaso mo?
Pangalan ng aso ko, wala akong aso eh. Cat lang, Jacob.
Yun! Pare, thank you for calling.
Thank you po.
We appreciate it. Thank you. Jacob, so you have a cat. Persian
Yes, I
cat?
have a Persian cat.
Okay. Hello, good evening.
Hello?
Pare, 10 minutes na tayo Q&A with Donna Lynn, ha?
Hello?
Okay. Question, go.
Do you love me?
Nah! Do you love me is the question.
Why not?
Why not? Hindi ko, that's kind of unclear, you know? Why not? Bakit tanong din yung sagot mo?
Well,
Pare, makontento ka na doon.
bye-bye.
Parang positive eh.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye daw. Last 3 questions.
Yeah.
Hello, good evening.
Hello?
Question for Donna.
Ate, pwede pa bate?
Sige.
Go.
Oh,
What's your name?
Henyo, crush ko kasi.
crush ka daw niya. Ano pangalan
What's
mo?
your name?
Din Henyo.
Huh?
Din Henyo.
Dean Cuenyo?
Okay, bate.
Hey, Dean Cuenyo. Is that right?
I don't know. You know.
Hindi ko kasi marinig.
Ayan, may mga humahabol. Exactly 12 mga kabarangay ay meron tayong ihahabol dito. Hashtag LM4M Wanted Sweetheart. Thank you guys for making this thing trend on
Yeah,
Twitter.
right.
Appear. Galing mo, ha?
Alright, that's awesome, guys. Grabe talaga
Panep,
kayo.
panep. Okay. Ito, last 2 questions. Hello?
Hello?
What do you wanna ask, Donna? Quickly.
O, bati po.
Bawal bumati. Tanong na lang. Go.
Tanong. Ako.
Talong. Ano gusto mo?
Kilala niyo po ba si Danica Jane Piscalin?
Hindi, Vanjan. Yung Piscalin. Parang familiar.
Yun.
Yung Piscalin.
Okay na question. Thank you. Thank you.
Sige, bye-bye.
Parang nanghina siya bigla. Ano? Hello? Hello?
Hello, Ate Donna.
Hello there!
Pwede po ba Ako po si Abby.
Hello, Abby.
Ay, din po kita.
What's your question for Donna? Go.
Pwede po ba sa Facebook?
Abby Bigalan po.
Oo, yan.
Ano na lang po paggawa ng video pa bate?
Diary ko. Tanong lang, tanong. Para fair.
Sige, ano po? Matagaling ko sumayaw.
Ba't ang galing mo daw sumayaw?
Wait, talaga. Oh my God, best friend na kita. Ang galing mo mambola.
Yun na, yun ang sagot. Thank you. One last. Sino kaya ang makakapagtanong ng huling tanong
I wonder.
para kay Donna Lynn Bartolome? Ang maswerte ay si Hello.
Hello po.
Naku,
Hello.
What's your name?
Aldrin po.
Aldrin. What's your question for Donna?
Ate Donna, out of 600,000 followers mo, may pag-asa ba na mahalin mo ako?
Wow, out of 600 plus
yeah,
thousand
you know what?
followers Facebook, may chance ba siya na mapansin mo at mahalin?
Well,
To
it
love?
already happened before. Why can't it happen again?
Pare,
Yes po.
meron ang sagot. Bakit hindi? Gets?
Apo.
Okay, huwag kang kiligin ah. Assuming ka agad oh.
Good night.
Okay, thank you
Mwah.
pare. Uy! Pare may mga pahabol pang ganun, pati. Okay,
It's
thank
the
you.
best question.
Yun na. Donna, we have a minute left. Thank you sa lahat ng mga tanong. Palakpakan
Okay,
natin po mga
bye-bye.
kabarangay. Ano? Donalyn Bartolome. Donna, ito, actually, gusto mo bang basahin yung mga names nung mga
nanalo
natin ng fan
How
sign?
where can I see
Wait,
that?
I'll show you. Wait lang Kasi, actually, yung mga nanalo po, yung mga napili po natin, mga kabarangay, you can see it. Sasabihin ko na, ito po ay makikita nyo sa ating Twitter. By the way, before we announce, you wanna
Yeah.
invite them again to your, like, whatever gigs or kung saan ka matatagpuan?
Ang mangyayari is meron akong concert sa Princess Leia Resort at Pampanga. And that's one. And meron pa sa Baguio, but hindi ko pa masyado alam. Pero yeah, I'll always post naman on my Facebook, so please follow me on my Facebook account, and please follow me on Twitter at DJB Donna. Eliminate my posters.
Mga kabarangay. And syempre si Papa Dan po ay online ngayon. Papa Dan 971LS. Donna, ang aking kaibigan from Team LMS to see my shirt. Right now, they gave me the shirt. Hello. Say hello to Bossing. He's tuned in. Hi, Bossing.
Hello, Bossing!
And also to Dwight Marvin.
Hello, Dwight,
And
Marvin.
also to Carlo Eltanal. A big fan of yours.
Hello, Carlo Eltanal. Thank
Yun
you
na.
so much. Thank you.
You know, kabarangay,
Thank you.
patay tayo dyan. Nabanggit na. And yun po mga kabarangay. Also, yun, tinatanong dito, size 5 daw, size 5. For your shoe size.
Yeah, size 5.
4Y to, papi, mga 4Y. Ganun. Okay, yun po mga kabarangay. And actually, I have 3 already, the winners. You can go to my Twitter, Donna. Can you check my
Yes,
profile? And then, I'll tell you where it is. Papa Dan. You check me. 1, 2...
Okay, I'm checking it out right now.
4. One more winner. I have 4. Can you announce yun na lang the username, the @ blah blah.
I can see. Wait.
Favorites.
View the
Favorite
photo?
ko, my favorites.
Oh, I should.
Papa Dan,
How do you see
yung mga
it?
favorite ko po mga kabarangay, you guys win!
I'm looking. I'm taking a look at it.
Yeah.
Okay. At
See it?
Papa Dan, Bridget Dominguez, is that the one?
Let me
Yeah.
check. Yes.
Aika K. Vargas.
Okay, congratulations. Sino pa?
And
There's 5.
Arian Vizcaino
Yep.
and Mikey Tricksha.
I know, that's, let's go up. That's the
Oh, is that the right?
first 2, yes.
The first two.
At
would be-
CJ Lintag 15.
I don't
Yes.
see it. At CJ. Where?
Can you refresh that?
Oh, yeah. Sorry about
No,
that.
it's okay, it's okay. So, ayan po mga kabarangay. Nasa favorite ko po yung 5 nating
Okay.
winner ng fan
So,
sign.
hi. How do you say that? At CJ Lintag
15.
CJ Lintag 15.
And also,
And at
Ralph.
I am Ralph SP.
congratulations!
And at I am only Bridget. And at Yo I Katot.
And
And
Nere
Nair Vizcaino.
Vizcaino. Congratulations, you guys. You win the fan sign. And actually, kukunin na namin ngayon yan, mga kabarangay. Donna, thank you very much. We had a lot of, tweets na pumasok and marami nag-enjoy ngayong gabi. Thank you.
I'm sure. Thank you so much for having me here. Thank you. I had so much fun.
Thank you, Donna and Dave. Thank you very much, guys. You wanna say hello to your friends?
Oh, yeah. Say hi to them.
Come on, Dave. Guys.
My manager is here with me.
Hello, everybody.
Yeah. Dave, thank you for letting us.
No, thank you for letting us come on the show.
Yeah.
Donna's had fun, I can tell.
I
She's
did,
probably
I
going
did.
to crash right after this.
But thanks. Yeah. Also, you wanna say anything? Hi, Gaman.
Jonah's with me.
Sige na, Jonah.
Hi sa lahat.
Sa ano pala, kay Mama nakikinig
Ay,
sila ngayon.
oo. Sa may
Pampanga.
Mama
Mama Lorna.
tita. Thank you
Ayan.
po kanina. Thank you po kahapon. Ang sarap po ng pagkain dyan.
Yan po mga kabarangay.
Thank you, Papa Dan.
Team Donna, right here. One with Sweetheart.
My team.
Yes. At thank you po sa lahat ng mga nakinig. And after this, gagawin na po namin ng mga fan time. Mag-photo-photo na si Donna dito, mga kabarangay, before she leaves. And I know you're tired, but thank you, Donna, for your time. Sana this is not your last. Sana may part 2. We're hoping there's a part 2.
I hope. Maybe they can request it.
Oh, yes. Yan po, mga kabarangay. Yun, no? At we'll be hearing more of Donna. You'll be back here sa Barangay LS with Mama Bell, right?
Yes, that's right.
May 6th.
May 6.
Babalik po si Donna sa...
Babalik pala ako dito.
Barangay
OMG,
LS.
guys. Can you believe that?
Okay. That's great. Okay, so... also to John Mark. Hello daw, sabi John Mark. And Donna Lynn.
Hello, John
Same name
Mark.
as yours.
Hello, Donalyn. Love your name.
Okay, si Anderson, sige, no problem. And we're gonna leave you with a song from Donna. Let's play it one more time.
And one more thing I want to say to everyone who loves me. Thank you for loving me for me.
And here's the song, mga kabarangay. Wanted Sweetheart, Donna Lynn Bartolome. Thank you very much. Ako po si Papa Dan, LM4M, Wanted Sweetheart, sa Barangay LS 97.1.
Tugs-tuga na.
Good night. Thank you.
Night. When you see me, my life ain't nothing but lights, camera, TV. I've got someone with more than all that. It picks me up, holds me down, keeps my head from spinning in the clouds. They don't really care about the shiny fancy things, 'cause they know that they don't last. 10 trillion stars shine so bright, but got all I need by my side. Don't need to check out others when I'm at my worst or at my best. I know you love me for me, yeah. Don't mind the fact my hair's a mess, red candle in my party dress. You love me for me. If you feel me, sing it one time, sing it one time. If you feel me, sing it one time. You love me for me.
Maybe you got a mansion, jewelry, cars, money, and some I didn't mention. You got someone worth more than all that.
Likes you just how you are, and can love you when you're near and when you're far. I'm telling you to hold on to, I'm there ready to fly. Now I'm saying this to them now. 10 trillion stars shine so bright, but got all I need by my side. Don't need to check out others when I'm at my worst, my best. Know you love me for me, yeah. Don't mind the fact my hair's a mess, like candle in my party dress. You love me for me. One thing is certain, yeah. One thing is true. When I am hurting, I can count on you. But I can't think home, love and let know. You don't ever have to doubt me, 'cause there's one thing for sure. Don't need to check out others when I'm at my worst, my red, my best. Know you love me for me, yeah. Don't mind the fact my hair's a mess, red candle in my party dress. You love me for me. If you feel me, sing it one time, sing it one time. If you feel me, sing it one time. You love me for me.
Don't drop that,